So another task here. What I've got here is a spreadsheet. We've got the name of the company, first name, last name, and then the company's street address. But we also need to figure out, we need to verify the street address, get the direct phone number, and if possible, we want to find their reported square footage and lease expiration date, which I'll show you how to do. So the first thing is we're going to find the company's street address. So we're going to copy CAQH, and we're going to put into Google CAQH Washington DC office, click go, and we see their address is 2020 K Street. So what we want to do is we're going to copy 2020 K Street. I just want it to look like this, 2020 K Street. I don't want the Northwest, I don't want the Washington DC 20006, I don't want any of that. And then we're going to go to CAQH again. We're going to go over to Zoom Info, type in the company name, go to People, and we're going to look up Charlie Winters. Alright, so we should be in the contact search actually. So we got full name Charlie Winters. So we don't have them, which is okay. If we don't have them, then you don't have them. And then we want to go to 2020 K Street again. CompStack. We're gonna go to, let's start fresh. Go to new search. So this is what the CompStack is gonna look like when you log in. We're gonna paste 2020 K Street, view property, view and refine leases. And we're going to look. So CAQH is a tough one because it's actually the Council on Affordable Quality, so you'd have to know that. If this says 5, then I want you to click it. If it says any other number, if it's a 1, don't click it, don't bother. Or if it is 30, don't click it. But if it's 5, that's fine. And so we see this is CAQH. They have 36,702 square feet. So under the reported square footage tab, we're going to go to 36,702 square feet. And then we're also going to see the expiration date right here, July 31st. So we're going to go 7/31/29. All right.